Okay, so as well as doing this sort of overview video explaining what the tool is, what problem it solves, what, just the general strategy behind it, I created something called a beginner's guide. Okay, so this can really help you get unstuck if you're unsure about anything as well. Okay, so in here you can see for a quick start that what you need to do is set up your profile. Okay, so you can add optional writing personas, okay, samples of your writing or any marketer's writing who you like the style of, okay, and you can put company details for press releases and add your API keys as well for OpenAI and Anthropic or Claude as you choose. Okay, once you set up your profile, then we're ready to go and start discover trending content. Okay, so that is going to be found in the content bank over here. Okay, if I go into this content bank, you can see I run a quick campaign here, and you can see that it's got the ideas for the content. It's got some scores as well. This one's 80 out of 100, this one's 75, etc. It's scoring it according to suitability, and that is taking into account things like viral opportunities, etc. as well. Now, we are not looking for viral content. We're looking for content that could, it's got signals for breaking out into viral content before it goes viral. Okay, and from there you can just click on create a project, but we will come to that in the next video. Let's just come back over to the beginner's guide in here. Okay, so the content bank that I just showed you is where you just put in a keyword or topic, discover the content, enter your niche, etc. like AI productivity tools. You get 5 trending content ideas with keywords. Okay, now after that you can go and create your first article, and this is where the real magic happens. Okay, so in the content bank, create your project from any of those 5 ideas it's given you. Okay, you can review the keywords and the questions as well. It's going to suggest some questions to put within your content. It will create a detailed content brief, and again you have input. There's an AI assistant that can help you with that. If you want to take it in a different direction, you just tell the AI assistant. Okay, then it's going to generate an outline, it's going to draft it, and then into an HTML file. Okay, HTML code. You can use that for Claude Artifacts, you can use that for Perplexity, for LinkedIn, etc. Okay, what I normally do with the HTML is I will put it into Claude. Okay, and from Claude I just copy and paste everything. Okay, everything's formatted, so if you want to put it in LinkedIn, go and put it there. Publish the Claude artifact if you want to. Choose one that you want to send backlinks to from the other 24 sites, and that's the next step. Okay, and distributing across different platforms. So you go to the external posting manager, set up your completed project settings. Okay, takes a couple of minutes. Make sure you got the link to where you have posted that you want to send backlinks to. You can choose which platforms you want to post to. Click on generate post. It's going to generate unique content for each one of those platforms. Okay, specific to those platforms as well, and then you just need to copy and publish to each platform. Okay, so depending whether you have got the automation upgrade, which is a Chrome extension that I got a developer to build for me, that's why there's 2 different prices, that's why there's 2 different products, I should say, so that he can get paid. Okay, so that's the way we had to do this. But if that's what you want to do with the automation, then the Chrome extension is going to automate that for you. Okay, it's going to speed everything up. So just come back here if you get stuck at any point into the beginner's guide. Okay, so over here you can see at the top we got key concepts. It will explain things like what is tangential content, about writing personas, content brief versus direct generation, and the multi-platform distribution. Tutorials, the step-by-step guides in here. Of course I'm recording tutorials right now, so I'll probably update this at some point so that I'll put these videos in here. And then we have got an FAQ. If you get any questions, hopefully you can find the answer there. If not, you can reach out to us via support. Okay, very simple to use, so let's get into it.